Alipata na ugonjwa kidogo, kama alikuwa taka kutoka na wazimu, ndio akashikwa akapelekwa hospitali. Alipotoka hospitali akarudi hapa nyumbani, akaacha kazi yake ya miraa na akawa hapa nyumbani na bila shinda yote, na huwa akionekana kama ako na shida.
Munene wa Minister Musalia Mudavadi ureno Minister wa Manto Janthe Weru Thaa Imwe bena Minister wa Rela Aden Duale bari kigomanone kia Manto jegierera nara Mudavadi akiare ugite Kenya ikagunika bunene ni kigomano giki nara Nthiguru kathumba mwankira nandi kwaririe Manto jegierera na mibango ya kumitheremia kinyankurukia.
That's for the signature.
Yeah, for the signature.
Electronic signature.
Close it and take.
Wow.
So somebody in the rural area doesn't need to come here.
No.
You wait for the bus. This is fantastic.
Compact, you don't have to walk long distances, everything is in one setting.
So you had the chance to get acquainted with Asan service. What's your first impression about the public service model at Asan?
Fantastic. It's very good, compact, you don't have to walk long distances, everything is in one center. Well, we are rooting for what you would call a re-engineering of the financial architecture so that it can be more friendly, so that the polluters pay more and those that have suffering the consequences of the effects of climate change can also be compensated. So we look forward to the loss and damage fund being activated. We are looking forward to this kind of involvement and to provide easy access to carbon credits so that it is not a very complicated and difficult process to us. We can work on an MOU very quickly. In fact, our Minister for Public Service is in Azerbaijan and I believe he's scheduled to have a visit to this establishment. So from there we can develop an MOU and we can share experiences and also technology transfer.
Muthijante sana njirendi kungu chokirie nkatho cha mwanya mutegeri nuntu bakwana kanya kugwatana nao ni tuchemania kairi ona cheringa thitha tona nusumbita kwa NTINYARI KINYUA mwana nerio mathithio o karipiriti bicha.